Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the server is busy error in PUBG Mobile. So basically this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and before we start I just want to say subscribe to my channel, and now we can start. So what you want to do is open the Play Store and type Power VPN. Okay, and click on Power VPN Free VPN. Click on Install, and it should download and install quickly. Once you're done, just open the application and click on allow. Let's do it, and just allow the app. So what you need to do here is click on Power VPN and turn on permit usage access, and now you can go back. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is just select the region. So you can choose any that you want. I'm gonna choose the United States. And what you want to do next is click on the power button, and it should start. Click on OK, and basically that's it. You can now open PUBG Mobile without any problem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.